Do you know that the HDB resale prices could be reaching a new high this year, and a record number of HDB flats have been sold for more than $700,000 last quarter? Hi, I'm Christine Sun from the Research and Analytics Department at Orange Tea & Tide. Welcome to Orange Tea Market Pulse. Today, we would like to share the latest market trends and property development that may be of interest to you. Well, nothing beats having solid data to guide our buying decisions. We utilize data analytics to better understand the latest market numbers and uncover new buying trends for you. Today, I'd like to share 4 major property trends that we have observed. Firstly, prices of HDB flats could be reaching a new high this year. According to HDB public housing data, prices of flats rose a 4th consecutive quarter. Prices of resale flats rose in 22 of 26 towns last quarter. Prices are inching closer to the peak price in Q2 2013 and are currently 4.8% below the last peak. The second major trend, a record number of flats were sold above $700,000. Last quarter, 825 flats were sold above $700,000, while 393 flats were transacted above $800,000. 53 flats were sold for at least $1 million. More flats were sold with cash over valuation last quarter. Some well-located flats will snap up almost immediately after listings have been put up. Rising flat prices bode well for sellers, as it is now more favourable for flat owners to ascend the property ladder. Many HDB upgraders seem to have bought condominiums in recent months. The third trend may surprise you. Younger flats are not the key drivers behind the price increase. In fact, the highest price growth was recorded for slightly older flats between 10 and less than 20 years old at 11.1%. and between 30 and less than 40 years old at 3.5%. Newer flats below 10 years old only grew by a marginal 0.1%, indicating a certain level of price resistance among buyers. The fourth major trend is that more flats are expected to reach MOP in Yishun, Sengkang, Kallang, and Choa Chu Kang this year. Therefore, we may expect more sales transactions in these areas. Apart from Kallang, we can expect more MOP flats in other mature estates like Clementi, Ang Mo Kio, Tampines, Bukit Merah, Toa Payoh, and Bishan. This wraps up the latest property trends that we have observed. With more flats reaching MOP, we may expect more transactions this year. We are optimistic that the HDB resale volume may hit around 27,000 to 29,000 units. Prices of resale flats may rise further, and we are projecting that prices may increase by 5 to 9% for the whole of 2021. We have come to the end of this quarter's episode. Do tune in to our other video series and visit our social media pages. And remember to like and subscribe to our channels. Thank you once again. I'm Christine Sun. See you in our next episode. Till then, take care and God bless.